Hi, I'm Coach Zauner, and we're here at the 2021 Free Agent Combine for kickers, punters, and snappers. This year we had 135 specialists try to qualify and 94 qualified. So enjoy the specialist workout. All right, we got number 18, Nick Vogel, University of Alabama, Birmingham. First kickoff. All right, a lot of spin. Back of the end zone. I got a 4-1-8 hang. Minus 10. All right, here we go. Next kickoff. All right, pretty good hit, but still a lot of rotation. Back of the end zone, I got a 4-2-0 hang. Minus 11. All right, here we go. Third kickoff. All right, drove that ball, solid hit. I got a 4-0-5 hang. Minus 13.
All right, number 18, 33-yard field goal, left hash. All right, that's good, right down the middle. Here we go, number 18, 36-yard field goal, right hash. All right, that's good, right down the middle. Here we go, number 18, 39-yard field goal, left hash. All right, that's good, right down the middle. All right, number 18, 43-yard field goal, right hash. That's good. Number 18, 47-yard field goal, left hash. And it's good. Here we go, number 18, 51-yard field goal, right hash. That's good. Here we go, number 18, 54-yard field goal, left hash. Oops, sorry. Sorry, Amos.
Sorry.
All right. No good.